Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install Go programming language on your Ubuntu or Linux computers. So in here I have logged in my Ubuntu computer via SSH. So currently there is no any Go versions installed. So first step, we need to download the latest version. So I'm going to download it from here. So I am going to download it via terminal. So it's downloaded. So next we need to extract this file. Then I'm going to the inside of this folder. So next we need to copy this part to our bashrc file. So I can show you the file. This one. So we need to edit this file and export that part to the end of this file like this. Then I'm going to save. Then I need to refresh my login. So then I'm going to check the version. So as you can see, the latest version has been installed. So all the instruction you can find it in the description. Thank you for watching. Comment if you have any questions about this, and please like the video. Thank you. Bye.